Our printing business has been here since 1950. My grandfather started the business when he first moved to Roswell, and we've seen everything. We've done handset type, we've done hot lead type, we've done offset, we've done camera plates, poly plates, we've migrated to digital, and now we have the opportunity to get our first flatbed UV printer. The Xante X33 was the one we really wanted. A lot of the applications that we're using the X33 for now, we were actually using our wide format printer, that solvent printer, and we were beating it to death because it was doing everything. And now it's still busy, but I've shared the load with the X33. The fact that you could put a variety of substrates into the printer and print on them. I mean, with that 6-inch throat on that X33, it just was awesome because you can put, 10mm coroplast in, you can put the 4mm, you can do wooden coasters, you can do ceramic tiles. We've done everything. Everything you can think of, we've thrown at it.
This is my first time using the IQ software. Navigating through the various options is very simple, very user-friendly. One of my favorite features is the ability to create a spot white color. So what that allows me to do is to print on clear adhesive, acrylic, glass, anything that's see-through. So you print it and then you print the white on top and you've got a backer on it. And it's beautiful. The thing's just look amazing, printed on acrylic or glass.
The size of this printer was perfect for the area that we had left or available to put this in. Color quality was right spot on. I mean, it has bright, vivid colors. They're appealing to the eye. They're true to what the customers are looking for. I have no complaints about the color. Color is great.
When we first got the X33 and we got our first job out, I was amazed. The color on the coroplast just popped. It really makes things stand out. I mean, it makes beautiful yard signs just in general. We've been doing a lot of like the birthday party signs, and those are a lot of fun. And you need to be able to see those from the street, and the colors, they're really great.
Our X33 has been running almost non-stop since the day we got it. We use it virtually every single day. The jobs just keep coming in, and so that's a wonderful part. Now I've got a UV cured product that goes right on the substrate. We're saving almost half of our time, and of course time is money with this, so the X33 has been great for us.
One of the cool things that we can do is if we see on screen that it's not quite the pink we want, we can go in and pick a different pink. And what you see on screen is what prints, and that's absolutely wonderful, because a lot of the times when you design things with computers, or, in a different computer, when you bring it over, it's not the same color because monitors are different. And I've noticed that when I open it in IQ and when I print it, I can tell that's exactly what it's going to be. The printer on the flatbed part has a very specific 0 point, which is just ideal. So I know exactly when I put my substrate down, exactly where it's going to print, and I don't have to worry about setting the lines and testing it and moving things. Basically, I can take it straight from my laser cutter, put it in the printer, set my paper size and my profiles in the IQ software, and tell it go, and it prints beautifully.
The customers are absolutely ecstatic with the work we've done. We did a clock face for a gentleman that had a neon clock, and he dropped the face of it and broke the glass. We were able to reproduce that on the X33 using the clear adhesive material and then the white backer behind it. It looks original, and the guy loved it so much, he came back the next week and brought us a homemade chocolate cake that he made himself as a thank you for the quality work we did to make his clock look so beautiful again. The whole sale part of it was really smooth. Will was wonderful. He's very knowledgeable in the product and had answered any questions that I had about the product and the purchase process and so forth. He was very helpful, knowledgeable. If he didn't have an answer, he'd find it and get back to me right away. He was very responsive time-wise. For a piece of equipment this size in dollars, to order it and actually receive it within 30 days is, I think, pretty phenomenal. So, and then within a week we were already up and running full blast. So the technical part of the people helping us set it up and do all the little tweaks and adjustments and training was spot on. It was very good.